recording. Recording. Okay, so my dad, Sweetie, actually lost her membership one day, so that's why she's warned a wolf. And whoops, I forgot to turn back on. I forgot to turn usernames back on. See, sweetiee5. Oh yeah. Also, holy flippy animals! Welcome back to another video. So, one sec. I gotta do this. I gotta turn to my wolf main. I'm a main. If you were wondering, hey, do I remember main? Yes, I do. There it is. Ember slap hose. The first ember slap hose. Up. I don't know. I just did. Oops. Ow! Ow! IKB, your last animal. The bird? The bird? The bird? Just the bird? Oh. Will you be it? Sure. I'm so glad you guys can't see my face because it's a dark room. I'm not in my living room, which I usually record in, because my siblings. Okay. Wrong one. Oops. Wrong wood. Wrong woo. Oh. On W. This computer is slow, just to warn you all. I'm going to the right one because yeah, I have to wait the animals. Finally, young blue fruit. Finally! Okay, this guy badly needs to look. I forgot that I took off all his items because I believe I traded away all his items that are on this bot guy. Sorry. Let's give him a nah. Ooh, yeah. Look who's snazzy already. He's a wintry boy. Just gonna sit here and I'm gonna stop the recording real quick. Please get back on.